Welcome to our exciting journey to a country that's often called the last European enigma. Today, we're traveling to Belarus. Get ready to uncover the hidden gems, unique culture, and fascinating history of this remarkable nation. Whether you've heard of Belarus or this is your first introduction, you're in for a treat. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be planning your next trip. Belarus is located in Eastern Europe and is bordered by Russia, Ukraine, Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia. The country features a mostly flat landscape, filled with beautiful forests, rivers, and lakes. The country is home to many nature reserves, including the famous Belovezhskaya Pushcha, which is one of the last primeval forests in Europe. Here, you can find unique wildlife, including Europe's bison. The natural beauty of Belarus will captivate you, offering countless opportunities for outdoor adventures like hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching. Ready to explore Belarus' enchanting nature? Let's dive in. Belarus has a rich and diverse history that dates back to ancient times. The region was once part of the Grand Duchy of Lithuania and has witnessed various influences from neighboring countries. With its position in the heart of Europe, Belarus has seen significant events, including numerous wars and changes in rule. The country gained independence in 1991 after the collapse of the Soviet Union. Today, Belarus combines its historical roots with modern influences, bringing together the past and present in a captivating way. Exploring this history is essential to understanding the spirit of Belarus. Minsk, the capital of Belarus, is a vibrant city blending history, modernity, and culture. With its wide avenues, beautiful parks, and stunning architecture, Minsk has a unique charm. Take a stroll along Independence Avenue, where you'll find impressive government buildings, shops, and cafes. Visit the iconic Minsk Heroes Square and admire the monuments that pay tribute to the nation's courageous past. The city also boasts a lively art scene, with galleries, theaters, and concert halls showcasing local talent. Minsk is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Belarus, and it will leave you wanting to know more. Belarus features incredible architecture that reflects its storied history and diverse cultural influences. In Minsk, you can explore beautiful buildings like the Independence Palace and the Church of St. Simon and Helena, known as the Red Church. Outside the capital, you'll find majestic castles like Mir Castle and Nesvish Castle, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These stunning structures tell the stories of the country's past and provide a glimpse into Belarusian life. As you admire this architectural beauty, you'll appreciate the country's unique heritage and the dedication taken to preserve it. Belarus hosts a variety of cultural festivals and events that celebrate its traditions, showcasing music, dance, and art. One exciting event is the Slaviansky Bazaar, held annually in Vitebsk, where artists from all over the world come together to perform and share their talents. Another noteworthy celebration is the Kupali Festival, marking the summer solstice with vibrant traditions like bonfires and folk performances. These events provide an opportunity to connect with local culture, taste delicious Belarusian food, and participate in enjoyable activities. Attending a festival in Belarus will fill your heart with joy and excitement. Belarusian cuisine is hearty and delicious, reflecting the country's agricultural traditions. You can indulge in unique dishes like draniki, which are potato pancakes often served with sour cream. Another popular dish is borscht, a tasty beetroot soup that warms your soul. Don't forget to try kolodnik, a cold beet soup perfect for hot summer days. Local beverages like kvass, a fermented drink made from rye bread, offer a refreshing taste of Belarus. Sampling these traditional foods will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also give you a deeper appreciation of Belarusian culture. In Minsk, the Great Patriotic War Museum offers an insightful glimpse into Belarus's history during World War II. This thoughtful museum showcases exhibits and artifacts that detail the courage and resilience of the Belarusian people during the war. As you explore the various displays, you'll learn about the impact of the war on the nation and its significance in shaping Belarus today. This museum is a powerful reminder of how history has shaped the identity of Belarus and serves as a tribute to those who fought for their freedom. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to understand the enduring spirit and bravery of the Belarusian people throughout their tumultuous history. Belovezhskaya Pushcha is one of Europe's last primeval forests and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This enchanting forest is home to diverse flora and fauna, including the European bison, which can be spotted in their natural habitat. Visitors can wander through the ancient woodlands, explore walking trails, and enjoy the serene beauty of nature. The forest also boasts picturesque glades and pristine rivers, making it perfect for hiking and birdwatching. A trip to Belovezhskaya Pushcha offers a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature and appreciate the stunning biodiversity that exists in Belarus. The Brest Hero Fortress is a significant historical site that stands as a symbol of bravery and resilience. Built in the 19th century, it was the site of fierce battles during World War II. The fortress still bears the marks of its turbulent past, with memorials and monuments dedicated to the heroes who defended it. Visitors can explore the grounds, learn about the history through exhibitions, and pay their respects at the memorials honoring those who sacrificed their lives. This powerful site showcases the determination of the Belarusian people and is a poignant reminder of their enduring spirit.